1.2 Sexual reproduction. 14. In some plants, the female gamete develops into embryo without fertilization. The phenomenon is known as A. Parthenogenesis, B. Autogamy, C. Parthenocarpy, D. Syngamy. Answer is option A. Description: Parthenogenesis is the spontaneous development of an embryo from an unfertilized egg cell. It naturally occurs in variety of plants where parthenogenesis is usually found in combination with apomeiosis, that is the omission of meiosis, and pseudogamous with or without central cell fertilization, endosperm formation together known as apomixis, that is clonal seed production. Parthenocarpy is the development of fruit without fertilization. 15. Which of the following flowers only once in its lifetime? A. Bamboo species, B. Jackfruit, C. Mango, and D. Papaya. Answer is option A. Description: Certain bamboo species are monocarpic, that is, flowers generally only once in their lifetime, that is after 50 to 100 years. Other plants like jackfruit, mango and papaya are polycarpic, that is, produce flowers and fruits many times during their lifetime. 16. Which one of the following generates new genetic combination leading to variation? A. Vegetative reproduction, B. Parthenogenesis, C. Sexual reproduction, and D. Nucellar polyembryony. Answer is option C. Description: Sexual reproduction involves formation and fusion of male and female gametes. Gamete formation is accomplished through meiotic cell division, which involves crossing over between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, leading to new genetic recombination in gametes. Random fusion of this male and female gametes leads to the genetic variability in the offspring, which although resembles their parents but also exhibit new traits of their own. Matched column 1 with column 2. Pistils fuse together, gametogenesis, formation of gametes, pistillate, hyphae of higher ascomycete, syncarpus, unisexual female flower, dikaryotic. Answer is option D. 18. Flowers are unisexual in A. China rose, B. Onion, C. Pea, and D. Cucumber. Answer is option D. Description: In cucumber, unisexual flowers, that is, separate male and female flowers are present on the same plant, that is, monoecious plant. 19. Product of sexual reproduction generally generates A. New genetic combination leading to variation, B. Large biomass, C. Longer viability of seeds, and D. Prolonged dormancy. Answer is option A. Description: Sexual reproduction always involves meiosis, that is zygotic in case of haploid individuals and gametic in case of diploid individuals. Meiosis results in crossing over between chromosomes during prophase 1, generating new recombination. Besides, sexual reproduction generally involves combination of genes from two different organisms. Thus, sexual reproduction generates new genetic combinations leading to variations. 20. Meiosis takes place in A. Gemule, B. Megaspore, C. Meiocyte, and D. Conidia. Answer is option C. Description: Gemule and Conidia are asexual propagules, thus no meiosis takes place in them. Megaspores are haploid, which are formed as a result of meiosis of diploid megaspore mother cell. Meiocyte is any cell that undergoes meiosis. 21. Which one of the following is monoecious? A. Marchantia, B. Cycas, C. Pinus, and D. Date palm. Answer is option C. Description: Monoecious plants have separate male and female flowers on the same plant. Pinus have both the male and female cones or strobili on the same tree. 22. Which one of the following plant is monoecious? A. Pinus, B. Cycas, C. Papaya, and D. Marchantia. Answer is option A. Description: Monoecious plants have separate male and female flowers on the same plant. Pinus have both the male and female cones or strobili on the same tree. 23. Why is vivipary an undesirable character for annual crop plants? A. It reduces the vigor of the plant. B. It adversely affects the fertility of the plant. C. The seed exhibit long dormancy. D. The seeds can't be stored under normal condition for next season. Answer is option D. Description: An annual plant is one that completes its life cycle in a single season, that is, the seed germinates and the mature plant so produced dies, having produced seeds with the season. Vivipary, on the other hand, is the phenomenon of germination of seed or spore in situ on mature plant even before it release. It is not possible for annual plants because in these plants the mature plant cannot store seeds as it dies after producing seeds. 24. In the oogamy, fertilization involves A. Small non-motile female gamete and large motile male gamete. B. Large non-motile female gamete and small motile male gamete. C. Large non-motile female gamete and small non-motile male gamete. And D. Large motile female gamete and small non-motile male gamete. Answer is option B. Description: Oogamy is the sexual reproduction involving the formation and subsequent fusion of a large, usually stationary female gamete and a small motile male gamete. The female gamete may contain nourishment for the development of the embryo, which is often retained and protected by the parent organism. 25. The process of series of changes from larva to adult after embryonic development is called A. Regeneration, B. Growth, C. Metamorphosis, and D. Aging. Answer is option C. Description: Metamorphosis is a process of series of changes of form from larva to adult after embryonic development. Regeneration is defined as replacement, repair, or restoration of the lost or damaged structures or reconstitution of the whole body from a small fragment of it during the post-embryonic life of an organism. Growth is the result of greater anabolic, that is synthetic process, over the catabolic, that is destructive process in the organism. Aging may be defined as the progressive deterioration in the structure and functions of the cells, tissues and organs of an organism with the advancing age. 26. The oestrus cycle is a characteristic of A. Human females only, B. Mammalian females other than primates, C. Human males only, D. Mammalian males other than primates. Answer is option B. Description: Oestrus cycle comprises cyclic changes in female reproductive system of non-primate mammals like cows, dogs, etc. The oestrus cycle consists of a short period of oestrus or height, example 18 hours in cow, followed by the rest of period of unoestrus or passive. During oestrus, the female receives the male for copulation. During unoestrus, the female becomes passive and does not receive the male. Although the breakdown of tissues takes place in the female reproductive tract or at the end of an oestrus cycle, yet there is no menstruation. 27. The sexual reproduction is absent in A. Spirogyra, B. Nostoc, C. Eulothrix, and D. Volvox. Answer is option B. Description: Nostoc belongs to Cynophyceae. In this entire class, sexual reproduction is completely absent. It reproduces by colony formation, hormogonia, akinets, heterocysts, and endospores. However, genetic recombination has been observed. It may be probably through transformation or conjugation. The other three algae, Spirogyra, Eulothrix, and Volvox, belong to Chlorophyceae. The members of this class shows isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous type of sexual reproduction. 28. Parthenogenesis is A. Development of embryo without fertilization, B. Development of fruit without fertilization, C. Development of fruit without hormones, and D. Development of embryo from egg without fertilization. Answer is option D. Description: Development of an organism from female gamete or egg without involving fertilization is parthenogenesis, and when the fruit is developed by this technique, it is called as parthenocarpy.